Okay, hello everyone. Now in this in this video, we are going to learn how to create threads, specifically external threads. We are going for external one. So I'm going to draw a modular cylindrical shaft. Then we are going to draw external threads on that particular shaft. So first we are going to going for sketch. Suppose selecting this one, sketch, normal. Now I have to create a cylindrical shaft. This one radius diameter will be 50. Just click this thing, extrude, sorry, extrude. So I want it to be at mid plane, and dimension will be, suppose instead of 100 I'm going to make it 200. So the length of this extruded material is 200. Now I want to create threads on this external surface. So what I will do, I will use this helical sweep command. Drop that down. Now select the helical sweep. Now you have to go. You have to first. You need to provide a when initially what you did. You just selected the helical sweep. Now you have to provide a plane on which you want your thread to move. Threads will be on the external surface. They will revolve around the surface and move in this direction, in this, or we can say along this plane, this one. So you need to define first that plane. Select reference. Now define the plane. So directly going to select from here this plane, because threads will revolve around the surface and it will move in this way. So I'm going to define this plane. Sketch. Now select the normal. Now you have to provide the up to which length you want to move your threads. So you have to define the length. So first I have to provide a center line around which the threads will revolve. So logically, the center line should lie here, because the thread will rotate around the cylindrical surface like this and going to move in this direction. So we need to define a center line here like this. Now we need to use the thread will move from here to here. I want to create threads throughout this length. So from here to here, I want to move the thread from here to here. So first I need to define this reference. I'm going to select this one, and this one, just to be sure. Now I need to provide a length up to which we want thread to move. So right from here to here, threads will move from here to here. Now just click the middle mouse button. Now you can change this dimension accordingly. Suppose this is 2c8, so I'm going to make it 270. Now from this point to this first edge, dimension is 31. I'm going to make it 30. So just click OK. Now we have provided the direction about which our threads will move, because threads will be on the outer surface of this shaft, so it will move like this. We have provided the central axis, then from here to here. Now just press OK. Now you have to create a thread profile. You need to provide a thread profile. So for that thing, you just if you are going to create external threads, and these threads will be by removing the material on the external surface. For that thing, we need to use this remove material command. Click this thing, and now where you need to create a profile, thread profile, it will be automatically decided by the system. So you just need to press this create or edit sweep. Just click this. Now the profile what you have to draw is automatically selected. Now you have to just click this normal view. So draw the profile, because draw the profile from here, started from here, because we have already provided the length from here to up to this point. We want our thread to move from here to here, so we need to give a profile. Draw the thread profile at the starting of the point. So we are going to develop the profile here. Suppose